Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best pasta maker Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out on without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is MARCATO Atlas 150 pasta machine. This is all around exceptional. It has been producing Italian machines since 1930, and the Atlas 150 is beautifully crafted and runs like a well-oiled machine. The patented rollers are made from durable anodized aluminum, which reduces the number of times you need to feed the dough into the rollers to achieve your desired thickness. We appreciate how easy it is to read the numbers on the thickness dial, and love how well the Atlas 150 cuts each noodle into separate strands of even width. As a bonus, you can choose from 7 different colors to match your kitchen color scheme. Our only real complaint with the Atlas 150 is that it doesn't make spaghetti. However, it will make taglioni, which is just slightly wider than spaghetti, and you can purchase an additional spaghetti accessory. Spaghetti aside, the Atlas 150 has impeccable performance any homemade pasta enthusiast can appreciate. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bellemain Ravioli Pasta Maker. This is about as straightforward as ravioli making can get. This ravioli maker consists of a plastic mold and a metal frame, that's it. The mold eliminates messy fillings and makes stuffing ravioli a breeze. Meanwhile, the frame gives each square a classically crinkled, uniform shape. The Bellemain is ideal for smaller servings as this pasta maker produces a dozen 1-inch ravioli at a time. You can even use water to wash both components, which is a rarity for pasta makers. Keep in mind this product only makes ravioli, so if you desire other pasta shapes, you'll want to go with another option. Also, the metal cutter doesn't slice completely through the dough. That said, the Bellemain is super user-friendly and a good option for taking the fuss out of ravioli making. Number 3. Our third best pick is ISILER 9 Adjustable Thickness Settings Pasta Maker. For those new to the world of homemade pasta, this is a good place to start. The setup is simple, cleaning is easy, and the price is affordable. While most pasta maker components are hydrophobic, you can wash the rollers and cutters. For the rest of the machine, use a dry cloth to wipe clean. Although it includes easy-to-follow directions, the noodles don't come out in even thickness, and they stick together. This means you'll have to separate them by hand if you want single noodles. On the other hand, the rollers run smoothly. Overall, this is a decent machine for beginners who want to dabble in homemade pasta making. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is the CucinaPro Pasta Maker Deluxe set. With this set, you don't have to fork over extra money for additional pasta shapes. This pasta maker includes 3 attachments allowing you to make spaghetti, angel hair, fettuccine, lasagnette, and even ravioli. No matter which attachment you use, we found the base of the machine held solid to the countertop when clamped down. The biggest weakness we encountered was that the attachments don't secure well, causing them to fall off repeatedly when in use. Although the CucinaPro did not test as well as we had hoped, you get a decent bang for your buck if you can use it gingerly. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is OxGord Hand Crank Pasta Maker. It checks all the boxes at a phenomenal price. We loved how easy this product was to set up and, even more, how easy it was to use. The blade sliced right through the dough with no resistance while producing virtually flawless noodles. Meanwhile, the sturdy clamp fastened the base to the kitchen countertop for optimum stability. The one defect we noticed was the table clamp had some minor damage where the screw is inserted. However, this does not seem to have any effect on functionality. If you're in the market for a user-friendly machine at an unbeatable price, we recommend this model. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.